Hey friends, if you wish to easily enable or disable clock and date in Windows System Tray, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time, and then there is an option here which says show date and time in the system tray. Now before I click on this, see, the date and time is visible here. The second you turn it off, the date and time is gone. The second you turn it on, the date and time is back there. And you can also select this option if you want to see seconds, and you can disable it. So that is up to you. You can switch it off, time is gone, switch it on, time is back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.